What is up guys, I'm Rahul back with another video, and today I'm unboxing the Asus Zenfone Max upgraded version. A few days back Asus sent over a mystery box which kept me so much anticipated until today, but finally I have my chance to open it, and here are my first impressions for the device. First up, the phone feels quite hefty in the hand, and the all covered metal sides along with the leather textured plastic back make the phone feel really good in the hand. On the back of the phone, there's a 13 megapixel camera with a dual tone LED flash and laser autofocus. There's also an Asus branding and a speaker grill. On the right hand side are the volume rockers and the power button, which are really clicky and tactile, while the left side sits really blank. At the bottom, there's a micro USB input and a mic, and on top lies the headphone jack. Below the 1080p screen is a unique smartphone chin, a specialty of Asus. And on top lie the 5 megapixel front facing camera along with the Asus branding and the earpiece. As the phone was already on out of the box, the first thing that I did was to install any new software update available. Sadly, there weren't any. Next, I set up the Play Store and updated all the existing applications. Now, my device is ready to go. At last, for this video, I tried out the cameras. For now, both the back and the front facing cameras produce really good quality images in the abundance of light, but I still need to try them out in depth, which will have to wait till the final review. Same for the rest. The phone feels really fast and fluid right now, but the final judgment has to wait. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up and also subscribe if not already, because there's a plethora of amazing tech videos coming soon.